Watch out, she's brake checking, she might hit you.
Excelsior Springs police officers are in pursuit of a stolen vehicle that was taken after an assault occurred at a local residence.
Hey, back up a little bit so you don't run into me.
This incident took place in the early morning hours of December 10th, 2020. The driver was also reported to be highly intoxicated at the time that she took the vehicle. She's swerving the vehicle all over the roadway, jerking it back and forth, stopping abruptly, and even going head-on with other motorists.
Lane, turning cars off the roadway.
You can see innocent motorists pulled off to the side of the roadway in an attempt to avoid a collision with the fleeing driver.
Copy 906, request permission to continue pursuit outside city. We're going Y Highway northbound. She's almost struck multiple vehicles.
Then, out of nowhere,
Patch for ReachCom.
rams the officer's vehicle.
Get out the car! Get out the car! Get out the car!
They choose to continue their pursuit even after being rammed multiple times by the suspect. Sergeant Courget then pushes the vehicle. He spins it to the side, facing it toward the ditch. He exits his vehicle in an attempt to remove the driver. She quickly accelerates, nearly running over Sergeant Courget. Believing that the vehicle is stuck in the ditch, they begin to give the suspect commands to exit the vehicle.
Where are you at? Left on Apache Drive, left on Apache Drive for 1 hour later. Wait, Apache Drive. Right to check the front of it.
She's backing up again.
We're now southbound Cherokee Drive, approaching Apache.
Here you can see the suspect position her vehicle yet again to ram the officer. The officers have had enough. They finally make the decision to end the pursuit and end the risk to the public.
She's running on foot.
Please,
I got cuffs.
You know I wouldn't do nothing like that. Please, let's go. What this f***ing world wants to project. Sorry, you know. I love you.